In this video, I will show you how you can remove all viruses from your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. From here, just tap on iPad Storage, and on this page, just scroll down and look for any suspicious app which you don't remember installing. Now just scroll down. Now for an example, I will select this app, and after you find any suspicious app, then just tap on Delete and select Delete. Now just do that for all the apps which you don't remember installing. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the Files app. And in the Files app, just open the Downloads folder. And in the Downloads folder, just look for any file which you don't remember installing. After you find that file, just tap on Select and select those files, then tap on Delete. After you delete all suspicious files, then just tap on Recently Deleted, and from here just empty the recently deleted section. Now after you've done that, and if you have noticed that your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a hard reset on your iPad. For that, just go to the General Settings, and under General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. But before you do that, just upload all your photos and videos and all your important data to the cloud or to any other external hard drive. Because after you perform a hard reset, all the data from your iPad will be erased. So make sure you back up your data before doing that. Now after you back up your data, then just tap on Erase All Content and Settings and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the hard reset process. And after you do that, you'll remove all the viruses from your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.